All right. So, option 3, no. Option 4, take 94. All right. So at this point, if you're watching this, it's because you're looking to make an iMovie. If you're like me and you've never used iMovie, you could use a little help.
I would make a movie.
So my friend Oliver here wants to make a movie. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get out of here real quick, and I'm gonna open up my photo booth. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the launch pad and open up my apps. Go into photo booth. Now once I'm in photo booth, I gotta click on the movie part, and then I'm just gonna click record. See, it's recording me. So I'm watching a video, yay, 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 and then I'm done with it. Now, what I need to do with that video is I need to whoa. So I need to export this. So I right-clicked it, click export, and I'm going over here to what I say as movie part 1, and it's gonna save it to my movies. That's good. Okay, so I save it. So you record whatever you're gonna record for your structure video. Then you click down, you right click it, you're gonna export it to save it somewhere. Okay, you can do that as many times as you need to, make as many videos as you need to, and you just export them to that movies folder. Okay. Now I gotta open up my Launchpad again, and I'm looking for iMovie because this is where I can compile all of these videos. So I click iMovie here, and it's gonna open up. Now, if you've never opened iMovie up, you may have to go through some red tape. You may have to click some stuff. I'm not sure.
What'd you do?
So, did you pinch your tongue with my badge? Aw. So I'm going to import now. Since I exported the videos, now I'm going to import them into my movies. The way you'll do that is you go to your, up here, I'm going to go to J. Gracier, and what am I looking for? The folder that I just saved that to. So I click in here, I find it, boom, just imported it. Now, in my iMovie, look, I can recording me. So I'm watching a video, yay, yay, yay. What? That's crazy, dude. Okay, so you can do that for as many videos as you need. You put them in here. You can add audio to it. You can add titles to it in between videos, backgrounds, transitions. You can do all kinds of things with it. But that's how you get videos into your iMovie project. Feel free to play around with it. Have creative liberty, and show me what you got making a video about structure.